Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we deal analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So let me just show you my WhatsApp broadcast. So what position we have made on 23rd of February, I messaged to my subscribers that we are buying Nifty 10,800 call option. So let us check the rationale for that and why we have bought the call option and what are the levels that we are expecting. We'll analyze by analyzing option chart data, market participants position and technical analysis of moving averages and other technical indicators. So as you guys can see, I have been mentioning in my previous videos that this is a broad range, like 89 days exponential moving average and 144 days exponential moving average has been acting as a good support and resistance respectively for the market. So as you guys can see, 89 days exponential moving average has been acting as a resistance and 144 days exponential moving average has been acting as a support for the market. So mentioned I have already mentioned in my previous videos that whenever the range breakout happens, you can go long and expect a good target. So as you guys can see now, the range breakout has happened. The finally Nifty has been able to close above its 89 days exponential moving average, and you can also see that it has spent a good amount of days in this range. So the breakout also gets its quality from the candles that it has received between these two moving averages. So I think the breakout is genuine and it can go high till 10,700 in a few days. So that was my analysis based on the various data that I will be presenting to you. So let me just share my analysis of Nifty and the option activity range did suggest that the 10,700 to 10,000 kind of level we can see in the market. Fresh bullish position has been created now on a call side from 10,450 to 10,700. So it did suggest bullish indication from the market participants. On the put side, I can see that there has been a good sort of put writing has happened near the various strike prices, especially the strike prices of lower levels. So which clearly indicates that there has been a good support for the market, and now the market participants are comfortable with the monetization of the support, and that's the only reason we can see a good amount of put writing. So there has been a good sort of support on a lower level, there is a good sort of bullish position to take the market on a high level, and there has been the range breakout, and the range breakout has also seen a good struggle from the market participants, and the breakout has not came easily. So that's the only reason I feel that the breakout is genuine and it can take the Nifty on a high side. If you analyze the various other technical indicators, CCI is already trying to come upside. So if you see a good sort of gains tomorrow, you can definitely see the Nifty will the CCI for the Nifty will be in the positive zone, which did suggest a stable to bullish sort of indication for the market. If it happens to break out its exponential moving average, then also the gain can extend on a high side. RSI has been acting as a support for the market, and now the RSI has also started to come up. It's near its exponential average. If it breaks, it is also good for the bulls. Both the MACDs has been struggling to generate a bullish crossover, and finally the shorter term MACD has given a bullish crossover near a lower time frame, and the longer term time frame is also suggesting a bullish crossover, which also validates the move of the shorter time frame. So all in all, things looks bullish to me, and that's the only reason we have purchased the call option of 10,800 uh, 800 strike price, as I have shared you in my WhatsApp broadcast message, and I am expecting a good gain about 0.60% sort of. So let us see how it goes around, and that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly share the analysis of Bank Nifty, but let me just share you one thing as well. The breakout needs to sustain and it needs to continue to strengthen the weak structure that it has generated on a weekly and monthly time frame. So this is just a sort of a disclosure that still the structure of Nifty and Bank Nifty on a weekly and monthly basis is not that much comforting, but the tomorrow's bull move can definitely strengthen the weekly structure, and the finally, if the weekly structures become good, the monthly structure will eventually get the validity which we are looking for. So as you guys can see, it was Bank Nifty was trading below is 144 days exponential moving average, finally breaks out is 144 days exponential moving average is a bullish crossover, which did suggest good sort of support at a lower level, and now I can expect a target of at least 25,530. It can also face some sort of resistance near 25,424, but the kind of position that it has created, I think it can also be taken out easily. If you analyze the option activity range for the bank nifty, it would be 25,700 to 25,000. So 25,700 is the level as of now, which the market participants are expecting. There is a good formation of bullish position in the bank nifty as well, like 25,300 to 25,700. And the port side is also confirming the analysis with a aggressive boot writing. Change in open interest has been more than 3,000 4,000%. So it is also suggesting that the market participants are quite comfortable that the support will hold, and the fresh buying in a call side can also take the market on a higher side. And if you analyze the technical indicators, you can see that the CCI, RSI, MACD, and a longer time frame MACD is exactly same as we have analyzed for the Nifty. Let us wait for the break of the exponential averages, and I think we will hold our position if the break of exponential average happens. And the detailed target and analysis I will be definitely updating to my WhatsApp subscriber. If you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast, you can message me on 95743 or if you want to join me for free, you can join my Telegram link, where I also share various updates, and I also share regularly the video that I create on YouTube. So make sure you check out both the links in a video description. Else, if you want to learn our system, you can also check out the video description, wherein you can find the various links to my playlist that I have created. You can learn the system and you can also try trading it with yourself, but that it would be a genuine request that you don't jump your gun. Just learn the system accurately, try it with some paper trades, and if you find that it works with a decent accuracy, then only you can try it with your real money, with your risk only. So that's it for the today's video analysis. If you have any doubt or comment, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. If you have liked my videos and want to get updated as soon as I update my video, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Or if you want others to learn as well, you can definitely share the video link of this particular video in your WhatsApp broadcast or Telegram link, whatever the media you are using. And if you want to understand how the stock future works, you can definitely check out my previous videos, because whenever I take a stock future trade, I update it in advance. I also share the rationale that what is my target and what is the stop loss I'm expecting. Usually whenever I take a stock future trade, I expect a 1,000 to 2,000 rupees of early morning profit, and if I get that profit, I don't wait much and I book my profit. Apart from that, what we do is we try and take a trade near the market closing as close as we can, so that also avoids our exposure to unnecessary volatility. So that's it for the today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.